Everyone, we are doing FreshFarmPicking. Then our presentation will follow by this outline. And we'll introduce our presentation conference. Then each of our member will introduce their work progress and work achievement. Then we will talk about the next step of the FreshFarmPicking. The final part is the third part. We will answer the question from you. Today our presentation.
你的声音就是有点断断续续的。
听不到吗？哦 ，OK， 现在听得到吗？
现在可以了。
好的。Today's presentation primarily revolves around recording a communication of our team member over the past 2 months. Our collaboration and the current progress of our work. Dylan and Sally have been responsible for the backend logic and the data integration. While both Iris and Max and me will focus on the front-end page development and enhancing the user experience. But today our team received a message from the Iris that she will terminate the work of the project 3 in advance. So she will not take part in the pre anymore. Next, each of our team members will describe their work. And I'll do the first.
Hi, hello teachers and classmates. Because our project is a relatively well-developed project, and our main focus now is to optimization and deepening. Therefore, in this presentation, we will also pay more attention to our individual growth within the progress of the project. And I will summarize my midterm progress briefly, and I will divide it into 3 parts. And as for the progress overview, in the past 1.5 months, I have learned and familiar with our technology stack and had integrated smoothly with our team's workflow and collaboration method. And by refactoring the UI and developing new pages such as the About Us page and the Contacts page to enhance our user experience on our website. And the next point is about the self-improvement and development. Yes, and I have the opportunity to develop the new skills and have directly contributed to our project. And this includes the Azure DevOps and multiple Microsoft services. Additionally, I have learned to use the Material UI for better front-end design, and I have adopted TypeScript to ensure our code is more maintainable and reduce the errors. And for the next step, and looking forward, my focus will be on further optimizing the user experience of the front-end pages and components. And another part, and I will do more in-depth logical analysis and continue to develop the backend API, and particularly for the booking system to ensure the intuitive and efficient as possible. Yes, thank you.
Okay, and the second member is Dylan.
Hi everyone. For my part, hello.
Please continue.
Okay. So for the first part regarding our homepage, our UI designers have revamped our homepage, especially on the layout and the element size. So I moved the previous homepage based on the new design, and our current homepage has become more attractive compared to the older version. And the next one is we have integrated Microsoft Entra ID for user authentication. It provides users with seamless login and sign up experience using their emails or third parties such as Google account. But the default login and sign up pages are in strong Microsoft style. So I have been working on adding some branding features to customize them to match our brand style. And to provide users with real-time feedback on their login status, the front-end headers have been updated to reflect the user's login state. This includes dynamic changes to navigation options and personalized greetings based on whether the user is logging in or not. And our BA team is currently doing testing on this feature. And instead of calling API to get user data every time, we also store user data in our local database for every new registered user. In this way, we can get the user data in a more simple way with less response time. And now we have successfully implemented mechanisms to capture and store user registration information in our database. So that's all for my part.
Mark will be the third member for the pre.
All right. Thanks, Dylan and Nancy. Can anyone hear me?
Yes.
All right, cool. Hello, everyone. Just next, I will demonstrate my progress in the project. Firstly, because the project has been like the couple of the feature has been complete in the previous milestone. The onboarding task that our team do is to enhance the user experiences of the web page. So firstly, I identified a couple of issues then in the previous milestone. So one of the key issue was in the during the integration with Google API, and the card display on the map is always reflecting and always had the problems that when we click to access to the detail page, and this problem is impact the functionality of the map and the user experiences of our applications. So the user can really see the farm's details from the map page to the details page. So we have solved our BAs create a couple of bug tickets to make the interface more reliable and user friendly, and we solved the issue in the Google Map, and also implement the connection then between the map page and our file list page. So in addition to that, we also make some other improvement to enhance the website user experiences, to like fix some UI component issue after our UI UX designer to resize some of the web page that already been implemented. When we have to also ensure like the responsive design is correctly after the resizing the page. So we basically we just do resizing some of the web page to fix the resize design from our UI UX. And also moving to the development and improvement in the next stage, I might keep learning the technical stack in the project, because now we are in the user experiences team, so it might be after a few months we might gonna change team to others like our Asia team, like to learn more skills on the Asia's SWACID, and also like the validation library like Zoop, and also keep starting on the Google Map API integrations with TypeScript in the project. So the most significant things I learned from this project is because our project is a really complete team. We've got the BA team, UI team, and also development and DevOps team. So it's really important to the communication in the cross-functional collaborations. So, and also it also practice my adoption skills, because all some technical stacks is I never meet before. So it gave me opportunity to learn from it and do the couple of practice after I finish all my ticket. So also then we were beginning testing all the features, then calling our QA plans, and also the testing phases is all focused on optimize the user experiences to seeking if any other bugs is existing on the web page, and just make sure every aspect of our application that meet our standards. So we can launch the first iterations probably soon. Yeah, that's really all my part. Thank you so much. And next I will hand it to Nancy to share first.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. This is my part. I will talk about my work progress. Recently, I have been enhancing our user experience through the page coding and the design. Recently, I have successfully completed the coding for the privacy policy page and the terms and condition page. They are the simple page. The difficulty is how to show long and complex word to the format. I use the map plus the data structure to implement them. They significantly enhance the user integration and ensure our content is more accessible and engaging. This page shows our user how we protect and respect their information. My ability to translate the complex requirement into the clear and effective code is something I'm very proud of. In addition to this project, I made a significant adjustment to this page. I resized the page and made it more responsive according to design. Moreover, I resolved the two critical bugs that are affecting the user experience. My proactive approach is identify and fix this issue has greatly improved the disability and functionality of our platform, ensuring a smoother and more reliable user experience for our user. I'm grateful for the opportunity to make such a positive impact and excited to continue enhancing the fresh farm picking. And thank you for your attention. Sally will introduce her part. Sally, how are you doing?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, my part is more about the data, because for this website we need the initial data of the farm and his farm details. So that's what I do for this. I just done the collected the farm from the 4 places, include Sydney, Brisbane, Perth, and Melbourne. And now we are facing to the filter the different farm, because we just want one part of it, and one part of it, and we want the activity in the web. That means we need to script the website of the farm and try to press the content of it. And after that, we use several methods to finish that. And now it's one of the difficulties in my part, and I think we will fix it in future. But and after that, another thing is to upload the image of the farm to the Android and import, and we will import the data of the farm in future, and do more about the data work, such as like wash it and make it more completed. That's my part. Thank you.
Okay. Next part we will talk about the next step of our project. About the front end, at present, actually all the front end page have already been built, and we need to consider improving the user experience and assistant BA to correct the bug that will appear on the page. Because of the collaboration of the multiple people, different components may affect each other, resulting in the poor page rendering. Depending on the user's usage habits, the component effect can be modified. For example, the map can be accessed by clicking the card to the farm information page. Instead, just click the location. I will show you in the Finder. Yeah. And the Dylan or Sally will talk about the next step on the backend.
Okay, for the next step of backend, we will finalize the integration of Microsoft Entra ID authentication to ensure the login and sign up experience for users. And we will also focus on validating and optimizing the processes for storing user registration data, which includes making sure data integrity, security, and efficient retrieval for other pages. And the next one is to enhance our activity booking system by updating activity booking APIs for future new user stories. And for data part, we will collect more real activities data of farms and clean the current farm data so that we can search and filter farms based on farm activities and farm types more efficiently. Yeah.
Okay. And before we start our QA part, I'll show you guys our website first, and you can see actually a lot of page already be finished, and the data not mapping here. Yeah. Next step thing is just like the Dylan said, we need to just add more data here, and mapping just use the real data. I just show it quickly. Yeah. I think that's all. Yeah. Thank you.